What's going on, everybody? Backroads back again with another Mix It Up tutorial to increase viewer retention and viewer interactivity. As this tutorial series has gone by, I'm sure you guys have noticed we do have the sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends.
Death Knight's the worst. Hey, I have feelings, you know.
Gallic is the worst starter in the game. Choose Elhain. Let's see how that works out for you. Do we have the clip? Oh, I never get tired of seeing that.
Death Knight is good for food, I guess. Wow, that's just... Look, I didn't ask to get summoned, okay? What? You think this is easy?
Can we cut? Raid. Choose your champions.
You can click the link down in the description below to join me and the rest of the Backroads gaming community here in Raid. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be something that's going to require you to get some stuff, much like what you would have to do with the different effects, such as when we did the angry old man or the green screen effect when he was dancing over here. This one is designed specifically to troll you. This is going to allow your community to scare you. So what I have here, again, as always, we're going to go to our dashboard right here. We're going to add a custom reward. In my case, I'm adding a scream. This is set at once a minute, meaning that every minute somebody can pop this and scare the hell out of me. So how do we make this one work? Well, let's get back into Mix It Up bot and let me show you. We're going to add a command to an existing reward. We're going to change the reward to, in my case, Scream. Now, what actions do we want to play? It's super hard, guys. Sound. You're going to add a sound. You're going to find the sound that you've downloaded. Make sure if you are downloading something, a sound bite, make sure it is something that is royalty free. Make sure that it is something that is not covered under any copyright laws. So you can find stuff like that at freesound.org. Creative Commons is another good spot to look at. I'll put a link down in the description for both of those as well. But that's all you're going to do to it. So in my case, here we go. We have the sound. We've got the MP3 sound. It's going to play it through my audio output device, which is my system. I'm going to turn the volume down just a little bit and save it. That way it doesn't destroy your ears. So when somebody redeems those boots and they hit that button to scare me, it's going to sound a lot like this. And that's just how hard it is, guys and gals. All we know is that this is something that you can do, especially around the holidays. You know, we're looking at today's October 27th, 2021. It's almost Halloween. We got 4 more days until the bewitching hour. That is the holiday of Samhain. So, guys, if you really like this video, I hope these things that I've put together in this tutorial have helped you out in some way, shape, fashion, or form. Until next time, though, guys, we will catch you later. If you guys do have any questions, right now my work schedule has me streaming Wednesday through Sunday. My schedule will be in the link in the description below as well. If you want to hop over and hang out, twitch.tv/BackroadsGamingTV.